heard about this baby boy.
A lot of joy, definitely some peace to feel like we're coming home.
I just wanna sing a song.
In the moments after a tornado swept through Clarksville on December 9th, Pastor Eric Soard drove to his church. During the service at Fellowship Church, he describes what he saw.
Even in that moment, that's natural sunlight coming through giant gaping holes in the walls of the church, it hit me that we were not going to be able to worship here for a while.
The congregation threw away parts of the damaged building and prayed together.
We were thinking 6 months, we'll be back in our building. It's been 52 weeks, a full year.
With each new week, faith moved them closer to worshiping together in their North Clarksville community again.
Places. We had church members' homes who were affected by the tornado as well. And so there was never a question for us that we wanted to come back here.
Just 1 day shy of a year since the tornado shut the building down, the congregation came back to a newly remodeled building together. There, in the same place they met a year ago, he shared a sermon of faith and prayer, a message that, whether destroyed or remodeled,
That's what makes this a sacred space.
a church is not the walls or the pews or the paint, but only made up of the faith inside.
And to know that they finally get to come back and be home in their church.
In Clarksville, Kim Rafferty, News Channel 5.